love Atiku, clap your hands. If you vote Atiku, clap your hands. If you vote Okowa, Ninme, oh, oh. If you vote Okowa, clap your hands. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment. The little boy from Jada, who moved around barefooted, single child of his mother, rose from a child to become a custom officer, became a governor, and today, Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the most experienced of all of them. Ladies and gentlemen, if you agree with me, you will jam your hands together for the man who can sign, he can sign 10 papers in 1 minute. We are happy in PDP that we don't have a presidential aspirant that will take 10 minutes to sign 1 document. Atiku will sign 10 documents in 1 minute. Please clap for Atiku. Do you know Atiku Okowa on their way to Villa? I know Atiku Okowa on their way to... Do you know Atiku Okowa on their way to Villa? I know Atiku Okowa. You know, say Okowa na gentleman. You know, go like make I talk some things. But do you know Tinubu on his way to Iraq PG? I know Tinubu on his way to Iraq PG. Ladies and gentlemen, because of time, we're not going to waste our time. We have all the 6 geopolitical zones here represented today. If I call your zone and you know that you have resolved for Atiku Okowa, just stand up and shout Atiku Okowa. So we are going to start Northwest, Northwest, North Central. I bet that's my zone. North Central. Correct. Northeast. Endorsed. Southeast. Yes. South. Southwest. With this, it shows that the 6 zones of this country have endorsed Atiku Okowa as President and Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. For want of time, we will waste no time. I want to invite to the microphone one single Nigerian with multiple competencies, a man indoctrinated with the art of civil administration and the rudiment of politics, Atiku Abubakar, the pacifier. The pacifier, the amplifier, and the unifier. Atiku!
Finally. PDP is taking over finally. Finally.